Anthropic Chief Executive Dario Amodei previously described the arrival of artificial intelligence as a tsunami. This week, financial markets reacted to that prediction as a literal event. IBM stock has experienced its sharpest single-day decline since 2000. The sell-off followed a revelation from Anthropic that its Claude AI can now streamline and modernize Cobol systems. Wall Street investors are currently assessing the risks to the fundamental infrastructure of global finance. There is widespread concern that AI automation may rapidly replace the legacy software foundation of the banking sector. Anthropic's latest research has landed with the force of a controlled demolition. Their AI, Claude, can now deconstruct Cobol, the digital equivalent of, well, ancient Latin that has powered global banking since the era of the first moon landing. The system untangles complex software knots and translates operations that were once considered lost to history. It uncovers vulnerabilities in seconds, automating highly specialized audits that previously kept legions of consultants on the payrolls for years. For decades, IBM held the exclusive keys to this very kingdom, profiting from being the only entity capable of navigating these antique systems. Anthropic has now effectively handed those keys to the public for a very modest monthly fee. Unwilling to hang around for an explanation, shareholders are very promptly headed for the exits. So, would you like to say hello to Cobol? Well, at first, you may not know Cobol, but it knows your bank balance by heart. This 65-year-old code manages your insurance, your mortgage, and your midnight ATM runs. It is the invisible ancient machinery of the financial world. But this old world mechanism, or for that matter, great granddad, is creaking loudly in the joints. Its original creators have long since swapped keyboards for, golf clubs, or for that matter, retirement homes, leaving behind systems without any instruction manuals. And for decades, dragging these relics into the 21st century was dismissed as a very taxing, expensive suicide mission. But that fear psychosis has been put to bed. And because of that, it will hurt Big Blue. Because IBM has long profited from the sheer headache of old technology. They provide the massive hardware, the specialized software, and an army of experts paid to keep the whole thing from falling over. If this new software compresses a 5-year overhaul into a mere 6 months, the lucrative consultancy fees simply evaporates. And that is because the protective wall that once shielded IBM's business model has been breached, and the high ground it once monopolized has been displaced from right under its feet. While of course all of that sounds marvelous, we feel a dose of realism is necessary. While the enthusiasm is gathering pace, there is an inevitable complication, and that is because skeptics are already questioning the feasibility of such a massive shift. Financial institutions do not cling to these systems out of affection, but rather for their proven reliability. One does not simply gamble with a rewrite of a platform managing billions in daily transactions. Modernizing these architectures is far more than a technical challenge. It is actually a regulatory deal. And here is why. While software may produce the code, but the burden of accountability still remains with the human directors. Because if the system fails, a digital assistant cannot be held liable in a court of law. A fierce battle for the future of business has begun. Tech leaders in California are claiming the old ways are finished, done and dusted, and that is because they want a world run entirely by machines. While traditional firms are fighting back by using their long-standing connections to warn that rushing into automation without proper control is a certain recipe for a total disaster. So rather than a sudden end, this is actually a frantic race for change. And success will depend on whether new high-speed software can actually replace the safety and trust of human management. And here is, as always, the front page take. Technology has finally removed the financial barrier that has protected Cobol for 60 years. While the programming language has not been replaced overnight, AI has significantly lowered the cost of moving away from these systems, putting long-standing IT infrastructures under very new pressure. As a result, the industry is witnessing a major shift in the mainframe era. With the economic justification for these older systems fading, the future of the platform is being widely debated. So the question we would like to leave you with is this. Is the current drop in IBM's price just a temporary discount, or is it the start of a permanent decline because the mainframe era is over? Please do let us know in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.